Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant feature on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click to the settings and tap to the voice section, then click to the voice match. And now just to activate Hey Google feature, you should click here only once on the switcher, then tap to next. Click yes, I agree after you will read the description. Okay, and after that we should add our voice model, so click here retain voice model and say okay Google, what the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that, click here to finish. And now we can see that the Hey Google feature successfully activated, and one will say Hey Google or OK Google. We can see that this option is turned on successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.